Whether you're trying to get rid of a stubborn cold or just want the cold weather to go away, it's that time of year when many of us are looking to add some comfort to our lives. Well, why not do it with food? Mary Berg is here to show us some feel-good food recipes.
Hello.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So we should remind people, it is warmer outside, but we're still in winter.
Yeah.
We're still in winter. There will be another cold snap.
Completely.
This is going to come in handy.
It's complete, and the cold and flu that's been going around this year has been awful. Like,
Yeah.
I got it, I was down for 2 weeks, just the worst. So you need those comforting foods that maybe you look for.
Okay, but you're going to need to walk us through this because we all remember how Mom used to make us, chicken noodle soup.
Yeah.
And she would make us, and if we were lucky, she'd bake some bread. Everybody is scared of doing those two things, making soup and baking bread, but it's pretty easy,
It's so simple.
All right.
So we're gonna start off with the bread.
Okay.
So this is a no flour, or no, there is flour, sorry, lying. No knead bread, there's no yeast in it. It's leavened with baking soda and baking powder.
Okay.
So there's no kneading, there's no gluten development, anything
Okay,
like
so
that.
what do we have in here?
So here we have regular flour, we've got some spelt flour, you can also use whole wheat, baking soda, baking powder, and salt.
Okay.
So if you'd give that a mix for
Just
me.
a mix, okay.
Just a mix. And then we're gonna add to that buttermilk, which is my favorite ingredient.
Okay.
So we'll toss that in. And I'm gonna not put all of it in because there might not be need for it. Then a little bit of melted butter.
No need for it?
With a K.
See what I did
Yeah.
there?
A little bit of butter and about 2 tablespoons of honey.
It's already coming together. Oh, the honey, right.
The honey. You gotta have honey in bread, like that sweetness.
Yeah.
So we'll maybe leave a
Or
little
just
bit.
put it in the butter.
Or honey butter?
Honey butter is the best
Oh,
butter.
Ben, I know what I'm gonna bring you next time I'm here. So basically, that is it.
Okay.
Just keep going a little bit more.
Okay.
Almost there. This is perfect. It's almost like making a biscuit, too.
Okay.
Okay, and now we're gonna dump it onto there.
Really? I don't feel that it's done yet, though.
Okay, yeah, a little bit more.
Okay.
I just don't, I feel like I don't have to be here with you anymore.
Yes,
You're
you
too
do.
good, yeah.
I'm a good number 2. Okay,
But
so
that's
maybe
perfect.
That's good enough?
That looks amazing. It should look shaggy. It should look kind of wrong.
Okay, all right. It should look
It should look wrong. It's one of those recipes.
Go against your instincts, Canada.
Exactly. That's perfect. And then I will form it into a little bit of a
maybe you take over for now.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't have as nice of a clothes on as you. So we just kind of bring it together into a bit of a loaf.
Oh, really, huh?
Yeah, that's it. Easy
It doesn't
peasy.
have to be pretty.
No, it doesn't. You don't want it to be pretty. You want it to look shaggy.
Yeah.
Little bit devil may care. And then we get a pastry brush. Dip it in some buttermilk, some of that leftover
what'll this
buttermilk.
do?
So this actually helps it brown up a little bit,
Okay.
which is great. And then we just do that all on the top. Add a little bit of pumpkin seed because
Just
there's
to have.
so much iron in pumpkin.
Yeah, okay.
Like, it is so good for you.
Okay.
And then we have to score it. So to score,
And this isn't just to make it pretty either.
no. This is so we get the heat all down there. So you just run the
Really?
knife in
Okay.
an X formation.
Okay.
That's literally
That's it?
That's it. Then it goes
Okay.
into the oven for 20 minutes at a high temperature at 425.
Wow.
Then we drop the heat to around 375, 350 for another 25 minutes.
And when it
you're good
comes
to go.
out, it looks like that.
And
That's-
it's so good.
I mean, that's real bread.
It is. And to be honest, the uglier it looks going into the oven, the better
The
it looks
better it's
coming
going to come out.
out.
All
Yeah,
right.
Exactly.
Okay, but you can't just have this on its own.
No.
You need the soup to go with it.
Completely.
Okay, so you're going to make your take on a chicken noodle soup.
Yeah, but we're gonna amp up the health-fighting deliciousness
Yes,
flavors.
of course.
So here we've got some onion and celery.
Okay.
And to that we're gonna add ginger. So a good whack of ginger, about 3 tablespoons.
Wow, that's a lot of ginger.
Yeah, but ginger's so good for you, and it's delicious. And I use just a rasp to actually grate it.
Okay.
Like, I don't chop it.
Sure.
I don't even peel it, to be honest.
okay.
Some garlic.
You need garlic.
You need garlic. And then
Yeah.
would you sprinkle about 2 of those, maybe 3 of those of turmeric?
Okay. And does turmeric do anything for you?
It's super anti-inflammatory.
I'll do 2 heaping ones.
Oh, nice, I love it.
There you go.
So it's super anti-inflammatory. It's got a lovely golden hue when you put it in.
Yeah.
But then when we add chicken stock, see,
It already smells good.
it already smells
There you
good.
go.
Yep.
Okay.
Dump her in.
Okay. Like this.
You're so good at this already.
The pouring? Oh, yeah.
The
No, I know
pour-
the
yeah.
pour thing.
But basically, we add that and a little bit of water just to cut it down.
Yeah.
And then we bring it to a boil and add some orzo.
Orzo.
Yeah.
So it looks like rice, but we're going with orzo.
Whole wheat orzo.
The whole thing?
Yeah, whole thing in.
Okay, that
So
goes in.
basically, we stir that, boil it up.
Yeah.
Throw in some kale.
Some kale.
'Cause
That's
kale
good
is
for you too.
so good for you.
And also, my guess is when you put it into a soup, it is going to soften up. If anyone has a problem with the toughness of a kale, it goes away.
It completely goes away. And the longer you cook it, the more that happens. Some parsley, because it's so
Whole
healthy.
thing?
Whole thing.
Okay.
And then just some store-bought rotisserie chicken.
Oh, wow,
And
okay.
what I like to do is I actually grab it and you kind of just pull it
Yeah.
apart because I like it to look a little rough.
But it's also going to come apart in the soup as well. Yeah.
Exactly. But basically, that's it. And to see the yellow color, it kind of reminds me of those packets of soup that you used to get.
Yes, exactly.
You know?
And then salt, pepper, some lemon you're putting there too?
Yeah, finish it off with a little bit of lemon.
Okay.
It makes it fresh, and some chilies. If you like chilies, because that heat can help burn out that fever.
That's great.
Yeah.
I mean, that to me, it already sounds like a really it looks like it feels like an elevated soup, but the elevation is all stuff that is going to make you feel better.
Completely. And while your bread is baking, literally you can make this in about 20 minutes. It takes
Is it 20 minutes?
20-minute soup.
Yeah, I guess because everything's cooked already,
Everything's
right?
cooked. It's
Okay,
really just
I'm
reheating.
going to do a little
Yeah,
dip
do a
here.
dip, do a dip.
I think we're going to do the best of both here. All right,
That's a good looking dip. Do you taste
That's
the ginger?
a great soup.
Right?
That's a great
Healthy.
soup. Mm-hmm.
It's not heavy. It's something.
You rocked it.
Thank you.
As always, find these recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca. I'm going to keep chewing, and we'll be right back.